Today, Malta joins other member states of the European Union and the international community to commemorate the International Day for Multilateralism, Diplomacy and Peace. During these dark days of war in Europe, it is crucial to put multilateralism and diplomacy at the forefront of our work. In the current international environment characterized by war, threats, and insecurity, multilateralism, dialogue, and cooperation remain the only viable paths towards sustainable, lasting peace and prosperity. On this day, Malta reiterates its strong commitment to multilateralism, diplomacy, and peace. We increasingly continue to face complex challenges, conflicts, and hybrid threats, from the current conflict in Ukraine to climate change, from a global pandemic to socio-economic inequalities at different levels in our communities, from environmental degradation through human activity to alarming food security. These issues require global solutions and genuine cooperation between nations and people. They depend on strong, united nations, the beating heart of our multilateral system that has served us so well for the past 77 years. We must continue to invest in it and strengthen it. We must uphold the UN Charter and protect it. Our actions in the coming months and years will determine the future of our planet, our nations, and our societies. It is high time for the international community to renew its trust and engagement in multilateral diplomacy. Through diplomatic channels, Malta remains determined to use all tools and leverage available to call all UN members to adhere to international commitments and principles. As testament of our resolute determination to work for the maintenance of international peace and security, Malta has submitted its nomination to serve as a non-permanent member on the United Nations Security Council for the 2023-2024 term. Malta is convinced that size does not matter and not one single country alone can address the challenges that the international community is currently facing. We need to work together, and neutral and non-aligned Malta is determined to offer its contribution towards action by the international community through multilateral diplomacy. If trusted with this responsibility, Malta will strive for global peace, security, sustainability, and solidarity.